Dear friends, today let us discuss about the 16 stocks including Maruti Suzuki, Canara Bank, etc. Those have announced bonus or stock split or dividend. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Vardhaman Polytechs. Current market price is rupees 78 per share. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Stock split 1:10 means if you have one share of Vardhaman Polytechs Limited, your one share convert to 10 shares. Aster DM Healthcare Limited. Current market price is rupees 520 per share. Company announced a dividend of rupees 118. Both the ex-date and record date is 23rd April 2024. To get the dividend of Aster DM Healthcare, you have to purchase the shares before 23rd April 2024. Bhagirath Chemicals. Share is trading around rupees 1759. This company also announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 10 shares of Bhagirath Chemicals, your 10 shares convert to 100 shares. Both the ex-date and record date is 2nd May 2024. Shukra Pharmaceuticals. Share is trading around rupees 310. Company announced a stock bonus in the ratio 3:1. That means if you have one share of Shukra Pharmaceuticals, you will get 3 more shares as bonus. So you will have 4 shares. Both the ex-bonus date and record date is 20th April 2024. Vertos Advertising Limited. Share is trading around rupees 811 per share. Company announced bonus and stock split. Ex-bonus date and record date is not at all finalized. If the company finalizes the record date and ex-bonus date, definitely we will inform you through this channel as early as possible. Anand Rathi Wealth Limited. Share is trading around rupees 4,200 per share. Company is supposed to declare dividend of rupees 9 per share subject to the shareholders' approval at its annual general meeting. Maruti Suzuki Limited. Share is trading around rupees 12,510. Company announced a board meeting on 26th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is announcing Q4 and declaring dividend. Balaxy Pharmaceuticals Limited. Current market price is rupees 587 per share. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. That means if you have 10 shares of Balaxy Pharmaceuticals, your 10 shares convert to 50 shares. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Pulsar International. Current price is rupees 92 per share. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 100 shares of Pulsar International, your 100 shares convert to 1000 shares. Both the ex-date and record date is 19th April 2024. IndusInd Bank Limited. Market price is rupees 1494. Company announced a board meeting on 25th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring Q4 and announcing dividend. HDFC Bank. Share is trading around rupees 1512. Company announced a board meeting on 20th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring Q4 and declaring dividend. Nelco Limited. Current market price is rupees 750 per share. Company announced a meeting on 23rd April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is Q4 and announcing dividend. Aegis Logistics Limited. Share is trading around rupees 526 per share. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1.25 per share. If you have shares of Aegis Logistics on 22nd April 2024, you will get 1 rupee 25 paise for each and every share. So ex date and record date is 22nd April 2024. Canara Bank, 118 years old PSU bank, is splitting their shares in the ratio 1:5. Current market price of Canara Bank is rupees 586. Stock split 1:5 means if you have 10 shares of Canara Bank, your 10 shares convert to 50 shares. Both the ex date and record date is not at all finalized. GM Breweries Limited. Share is trading around rupees 756. Company announced a stock bonus in the ratio 1:4 and a dividend rupees 7 per each share. Stock bonus 1:4 means if you have 4 shares of GM Breweries, you will get 1 share as bonus. Both the ex date and record date is not at all finalized. Elentas Beck India Limited. Current market price is rupees 8,905. Company announced a dividend of rupees 5 per share. Ex date is 30th April 2024 and record date is 1st May 2024. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.